On the bridge. All for people who've been married. Veronica and Andreas, Kirsten and Karsten, Stephanie and Sebastian, Claudia and Gunther, Brandt and Heather, Michael, Suzanne, together forever, Sally and Ben.
Nottingham Forest with a heart in the middle.
Ian loves F. Nottingham Forest, straight out of Lough-in-Lee's eyesight. Pete and Amy, Christina and Christian and Rositka. Spent all day looking at these. Yeah. So all the way along this bridge in Salzburg, and there's plenty of room for more, like loads more room.
I wonder who the first one to have one.
Yeah, I wonder what year it was.